Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. If your Firefox browser is blocking a website and displaying the SSL error no cipher overlap message, it indicates that there is a discrepancy between the encryption cipher suite your browser supports and the one the server is trying to use. I will show you exactly how to adjust these security protocols and fix your connection right now. Let's get started. First, the most straightforward fix for this error is to make sure you are using the most up-to-date version of the Firefox browser. Outdated browser versions are a primary cause of this cipher discrepancy because they might lack newer security patches. Open your browser, click the three-line hamburger menu in the top right corner, and click on Help. Select About Firefox from the drop-down menu. A new window will appear and Firefox will automatically check for updates and begin downloading the latest files. Once the download is finished, click the Restart to Update Firefox button. Try loading the web page again to see if the secure connection is now fully established. Next, if your browser is up to date but the error still blocks the site, your internal encryption protocols might have been accidentally modified or disabled. Open a new tab in your Firefox browser, type about:config directly into your address bar, and press Enter. Click the button to accept the risk and continue to bypass the security warning. In the advanced search bar at the very top, type the exact word TLS to generate a list of configurations. Look through the list of results. Any setting that is bolded has been changed recently from its default value. Right-click on any bolded entry and select Reset to restore it. Then clear the search bar, type SSL3, and repeat the exact same process to reset any modified SSL configurations back to normal. Finally, if you desperately need to access a trusted legacy website or an old internal router that uses outdated encryption, you can manually bypass the error by changing your cipher validations. Go back to your About:config screen in your Firefox browser and type TLS into the search bar once again. Scroll down the list until you locate the exact preference named Security.Tls.Version.Min. Click the pencil icon on the far right side of the screen to edit this specific item, then carefully enter a 0 as the new value. This immediately lowers the strict TLS fallback limit and allows Firefox to safely bypass the overlap error when connecting to older servers. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.